Hey guys, just Short Fox here. Today I got another video and it's been a long time since I videoed. So today we are playing Subway Surfers and the video might be bad because like you can't really see good, but doesn't really matter, does it? So I'm from Ireland. So let's go. Straight over. It's really glitchy. Jump over. Jump. Jump, jump. I'm not jumping, I'm just listening to the song. Oh yeah, I'm sorry if I might be silent sometimes. It's cause I'm trying to concentrate on where I'm going. Okay. Don't want to. No. Dump. No, I'm not gonna double up. Bum. Seven times. Okay, get all the coins. Oh no, I ran into bush. Why? I run. Oh yeah, I'm not. Okay. Don't take it seriously, but I might have a bad, different voice. So if anybody's from the country I'm talking, I'm not trying to be mean. Follow me. Yeah, go guards. Don't want to see you. Hey! I'll run away from you. I'm a robot. Made from the people who made me. Ugh! How? I'm bad at this game. No. Okay, I'm gonna try beat the high score at least in the video, so. What? You know what, since I'm being really bad at the game, let's actually I'm gonna spend all the money I have. Let's go. No! double up. Wait. Okay, my thing froze. Help. Wait. So when common is I forget the name. One of those things you listen to music on, and a UFO, a guitar, and a hat, which I already got the person. And special is a megahead start, up to 10 words, or up to 2,500 coins, 500 coins. And rare is a key, a score booster, trophies, or 5,000 coins. And jackpot is 1,000,000 coins. I didn't even know the. Yay! Let's double that. Okay, and I'm back. Double. Oh no. Okay, and bye. Okay, I watched that video. No, I don't want one. Please be the jackpot. Don't block that. Okay, I'm back. No, I don't know why I'm doing this. I just have to keep pushing in. Back. This one's annoying. Actually, I'll just keep it on. Okay, how much? No. I shouldn't press back. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the last one. Or okay, my voice sounds weird. Why don't any of you guys like tell me if you even watch my thing? Or tree. No, I'm just gonna keep on buying. Oh my gosh. Oh yay, yay! Oh guys. Wait, so 1, 2. Okay. Come on, don't give me money, don't. No. Well, that was the video, guys. Leave a like or subscribe if you like, and bye.